Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin radar to your Edge device. First, ensure both your Garmin Edge and Varia radar are fully charged for a smooth pairing process. Next, place your Varia radar into pairing mode by holding its device button for approximately 2 seconds until you see the LED indicator flash purple. Finally, position both the radar and your Edge device within 3 meters of each other to ensure optimal signal detection during the initial connection phase. Once your radar is in pairing mode, turn your attention to your Garmin Edge device. From the main screen, navigate to the Sensors menu. Within this menu, select the option to add sensor, and then choose Radar from the list of available sensor types. Your Edge device should then detect the Varia radar, often identified by its unique device ID. Confirm the pairing when prompted to establish the connection between the two devices. After successfully pairing, you can customize your radar settings directly on your Edge device. Access the radar's dedicated settings menu to adjust alert preferences. You can configure both visual and audible alerts for approaching vehicles, choosing your preferred tone and vibration patterns. Additionally, tailor how vehicle positions and speeds are displayed on your Edge screen, enhancing your situational awareness and overall riding safety. For optimal performance, always ensure your Varia radar is securely mounted and clearly visible to traffic. This ensures accurate detection of approaching vehicles. Regularly check for software updates for both your Edge and Varia devices. These updates often include performance enhancements and new features. Finally, make it a habit to charge both devices after each ride, ensuring they are always ready for your next cycling adventure and providing reliable protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.